Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm so excited to try out a pretty unique powder in my opinion. This is the Marutake Rice Powder with Applicator that I got from ShopMissA. So this powder only cost $1. It says it's an all-natural powder, and I think it's supposed to be like a multi-purpose powder. It can set makeup, it can blot shiny skin throughout the day, and it's cruelty-free. So what I saw online is that it's actually not like any other powder that I have in my collection because it's a solid bar. Like basically looks like a bar of soap. And it has this little brush with it, which I think I've gotten the same brush in other ShopMissA products. So I may end up using a different brush because this is small for where I intend to apply powder. But this is how it came packaged in a little like wax paper. And I don't want it to get too messy, but it really is just like a solid block. It kind of reminds me of chalk too. Let's see. Yeah, it reminds me a lot of chalk. See how this swatches? I mean, it looks very white, like chalk. Very mattifying. But the reviews of this on the ShopMissA website are really high. So I'm really excited about this. I did already go ahead and I applied my BB cream and my under eye concealer. And I definitely want to set my under eye concealer, which is already starting to crease. So I'm just going to go ahead and, with my dampened sponge, blend out the creases. And I'm going to take my dampened sponge here, pick up some of the powder, and try and set my under eye with it. Ooh. Wow, okay. That actually looks very invisible, but smoothing. I'm gonna go in with a little bit more. I think that set my under eye beautifully. I mean, we're gonna see what happens, but wow, I'm actually very surprised that there's no white cast. And just like a very smooth, invisible texture. Doesn't seem drying. It seems mattifying, but not drying. I'm really liking this technique of using the dampened sponge. So I'm also gonna go ahead and apply it over my nose and see how blurring it is. Whoa! Do you see how it just like disappears? It goes on very stark white, but then it just disappears. Right. And it does leave this like airbrushed smoothing effect. For some reason right here on my forehead is looking very shiny. Let's see how this looks. Ooh. I love that it's mattifying but not at all drying. So it just leaves a really perfect texture. Like definitely a perfect blotting powder. Yeah, the under eyes are looking so good. For the fun of it, I want to take a big fluffy brush, like this one here, and just pick up some of the powder. It's actually a lot less messy than I was worried it would be. And like, let's see if I just, dust this on half of my face to set the foundation. I just love how invisible it is. And it looks really beautiful. Like it gives a soft, blurred finish to the skin. So you can see with it versus without it. I mean, I love a glowing complexion, but I think I prefer the side with the powder because it's not like dull, but it's like smoothed out, filtered effect. Wow. Oh my gosh, I am loving this. And it's very, like, it's not even finely milled because it's a literal solid block, which I think is going to last so long, but it's like so, like, tiny. Like, it just doesn't leave any powderiness or any texture, but I keep picking up a lot, and I'm just like blown away by how it just disappears but leaves the most beautiful texture to the skin. Wow! Okay, I am understanding the high ratings. Like, my skin looks so good right now. I am going to test this for any white cast, so I'm going to turn off my lights and take a flash photo. I will insert the photo, and not a great photo. I'm laughing at the photo itself, but that skin and that makeup looks so good. Absolutely no white cast, flashback. Holy moly, I love this. And to think it's only $1. And it's one of the best setting powders I've ever used. Like, amazing. I have tried out so many setting powders, and I am picky. I definitely don't love a lot of setting powders, but this one I absolutely love. And the fact that it's $1, I love it even more. I just checked ShopMissA, it's in stock. Definitely a product that I would stock up on because I don't think it's, like, powders in general, I think can last so long, but I just feel like this will last forever, like never go bad. Even though it is like the size of it and how much you need, like this is itself is going to last me so long, but I would still just stock up on this because it's amazing and only $1. Or get it as gifts for people because people need to try this because it's amazing. So if you have tried out the Marutake Rice Powder, let me know your thoughts on it in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.